Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo Pro cameras, quick fix step by step clearly. Start by unboxing your Arlo Pro camera and ensuring all components are present. Locate the rechargeable battery and insert it into the camera until it clicks into place. Next, download the Arlo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create an account or tap on the Add Device option and select your Arlo camera model from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is 2.4 GHz, as Arlo Pro cameras do not support 5 GHz networks. After connecting to Wi-Fi, choose a location for your camera that provides a clear view and is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. Use the mounting hardware included with your camera to secure it in place. Before finalizing the installation, check the camera view in the app to ensure it captures the desired area. If necessary, adjust the camera angle for optimal coverage. Once positioned correctly, tighten the screws to secure the camera firmly. Now, set up motion detection and notifications in the app settings according to your preferences. Review the video quality settings to ensure they match your needs. Finally, keep the camera's firmware updated through the app for the best performance. With everything set up, your Arlo Pro camera is ready to secure your space. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.